I have got Omicron. How did I get it? Too many Christmas parties. Am I surprised I got it? Absolutely not. In the next 1 month, every single one of us is going to get Omicron. I thought might as well do it faster than sooner and have some fun along the way. In this video, I'm going to document all my symptoms and I'm going to tell you exactly what medication I took to mitigate these symptoms. I'm going to document a timeline for the progression of this disease in me, so that in the future when you get the disease, it might alleviate your fears. I am also going to tell you about the symptoms of Omicron we are seeing in patients currently in India. Day 1, I got up in the morning with some pain in my trachea, that is the windpipe. It was a dull pain leading right into the bronchus on the right side of my lung. I didn't think much of this and the pain subsided in around 15 or 20 minutes. Thereafter, in the afternoon, I started with a mild fever. The fever went to around 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. For the fever, I took one Meftal 500, that is mefenamic acid. Thereafter, in the evening, I started with a running nose. I did not take any tablets immediately, but then towards the night, I took one Montelukast tablet, which got rid of the cold. Day 2. I got up in the morning with a fever. It was a low-grade fever. I have not bothered to check the temperature. Let's do it now actually. But I feel a lot better today. There's no itchy throat, no runny nose, no headache, no body ache, no nothing. Of course, I will keep updating you all about how this disease progresses in me. Currently, no fever whatsoever. Just thought I'll give you a small update on my current health status. I am doubly vaccinated, no booster, and I don't think I'll need a booster also in the future, thanks to Omicron. Previously, I have been exposed to Delta quite often because it is part and parcel of my job. I have no comorbidities that I know of. I'm going to drop my Instagram down here and also the link will be there in the description. Do feel free to DM me there if you have any concerns regarding Omicron. It is not going to be a paid consultation or a consultation of any type. It is just that if you have some questions for me, I will take some time out to reply to them. Have you got a cold yet? If you haven't, expect it in the next few days. And if you do get that cold, consider it to be Omicron. Day 3 of Omicron for me. I got up today in the morning with a fever. I did not bother to check how much it was, but it passed off very quickly after I woke up. Also, when I woke up, I had a very bad pain in my throat, and that also subsided after a few hours. As far as the medications are concerned, I have not used any medications besides the mefenamic acid and the Montelukast which I took on the first day of my symptoms. But a word of caution here. Just because I am not taking any medications does not mean that you have to follow the same. Do work closely with your doctor if you get any symptoms. Also, I'm noticing that the symptoms in children are a little bit different from that in adults. So watch this video till the end because I'll be putting up a list also of the commonly seen symptoms in children. Still on day 3, I just realized that I forgot a very important symptom. Over the last couple of days, I've been having this ache, almost soreness in my legs, in my thighs to be more specific. It almost feels like I've trained legs, although I have not been to the gym for more than a week.
Three fun facts about Omicron. It has a high degree of immune escape, which means even if you are vaccinated or have natural immunity, you are probably going to get the disease. Almost 91% of people are asymptomatic. This has been found in the travelers coming into Mumbai. Even after testing positive, they did not show any symptoms through the quarantine period. In a study in Hong Kong, it has been found that the Omicron multiplies mainly in the trachea and the bronchi, and not in the lungs as in previous variants. Could this explain the pain I had felt on the first day of my symptoms? Day 4 and I am feeling as healthy as a newborn. Omicron has displaced the Delta as a dominant variant and is 3 times more infectious. The symptoms can be described as a mild flu at best. However, do be very vigilant as in a few the disease could progress or you might have, although unlikely, another variant. In a few days, everyone is going to be exposed to the Omicron and we will have acquired natural immunity. So if you have any of the following symptoms, suspect COVID. These are the most common symptoms we are seeing in patients and I have ordered them in the frequency of prevalence. In the unvaccinated, the symptoms will be similar, but it is expected to be more severe. Children too have similar symptoms. However, they have a very active innate immunity and therefore have a tendency to have a much higher fever. Also, I have noticed them complaining more often of nausea and diarrhea. So do contact their pediatrician and keep the necessary medications at hand. If their fever begins to rise over 102 degrees Fahrenheit, do consider giving them a lukewarm shower along with the medications. The fever will quickly drop after that. Like, subscribe, signing out, Dr. Rohan Fonseca.